Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna do unboxing of my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before I proceed further, please subscribe to the channel. So guys, after 3 weeks I have got this phone. Why I'll say 3 weeks is because when I went to Apple store and I asked for this phone, they said sorry, we are out of stock. So I had to order online, and after 3 weeks of ordering, finally it has arrived to me. So this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. You see the size? Wow, it's quite good and heavy also. Wow, this is screen that they have pasted, and see the camera. I'm not gonna use it now because I have ordered its cover and protector from Amazon. Tomorrow once it arrives, then only I'm gonna use it. And I have also purchased its protection plan because that's really important. When you buy something expensive like this, you need to have protection plan as well. See the camera. Wow, that's amazing. And what else I have got? Fast charging cable. Okay, but do you see one thing guys? It's type C. Yeah, it's type C. So good for me. Now it's gonna be compatible with my Samsung Galaxy also. And I have got some paper, sticker, and also one pin for inserting the SIM. So when it comes to inserting the SIM, uh, it is gonna show me where exactly. Yeah, the port is type C, as I was telling you. Yeah, you see it's type C. Okay, and switch here, and this is gonna be your SIM holder. Okay, this button is still there about sound, but I don't see it like move up and down. Instead it looks like push button, increase, decrease, and power this side, you see. Okay, so I'm not gonna turn it on right now, but I'll do it tomorrow my other when its cover arrives. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.